How to add debit or credit card on Uber Eats app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. In order to add debit or credit card on your Uber Eats app, you first need to have the Uber Eats application on your device. If you don't have it, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store and on the search bar, search for Uber Eats. Then you want to tap on the install button. Once it has been installed, tap on the open button and then you want to log into your account. You can choose any of the method that was used while signing up to your account to log into your account now. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you're going to find different options. You want to tap on the option of wallet. Now on this page, you can find the Uber Cash at the top. All your saved payment methods will appear over here as well. If you want to add any new payment method, you want to tap on the Add Payment Method option. Now over here, you can find different options such as bank account, Venmo, credit or debit card, other healthcare benefit cards, PayPal, gift card, CVS Pharmacy, or S3 Health benefit cards. Now, since you want to add a debit or credit card, you want to tap on the credit or debit card option. Once you click on this option, you will have to fill up some details. So start by entering your card number. After you enter your card number, enter the expiration date of your credit or debit card. This will be mentioned on your card itself. Then you want to enter the CVV number. After that, you want to select the country you are from. After this, you want to enter the nickname, example joint account or work card. Now this is an optional step. After entering all the details, you want to tap on the next option and then it is going to verify all of your details. Once all the details are correct, your new card will be added. Now you should be able to find the new added debit or credit card over here on the saved payment list. And this is how you can add debit or credit card on Uber Eats app. If this video was helpful, do leave a comment. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.